Hello, this is Mentor Lee and Paolo Carvajal, and today I am going to present to you the business that changed my life. And welcome to the Nworld Business Orientation by Team Revelation. Let us start first with the company profile. Nworld was founded July 9 of 2015 with a paid-up capital of 100 million pesos. 2.5 years after, our paid-up capital that is registered in SEC is now at 350 million pesos already. The founder, CEO, chairman, and president of this company is Mr. Luis Alan Nolasco, a legend in this industry. Did you know that Nworld in 2.5 years became part of the top 1,000 corporations? Simply because we have sold on our very first year 3.2 billion pesos worth of products. We have given out a total of 2 billion worth of distributors commission, and at the same time we have paid a total of 500 million pesos of taxes to the Philippine government in 2016, which is our first full year of operation. This has never been done before in the industry of network marketing in the Philippines, and we are the very first Filipino-owned network marketing company to be part of the very prestigious top 1,000 corporation list that was published in the Business World magazine. What made Nworld significant? Let me talk about its products. The products of Nworld are amazing. They have instant effects like brightening, smoothening, whitening, moisturizing, and cleansing. And as you will see right now, these products have amazing effects that you can see immediately upon using the products. All of our products are FDA registered, halal certified, and our manufacturer is ISO. So how do you become part of this amazing company? It's very simple. All you have to do is purchase a distributorship package. The package costs 14,900 pesos and you get 16,500 worth of products, and the best part is you get to choose which products you like to be included in the package. For example, you like all soaps, you get 75 soaps included in the package, or if you like all creams, you get to choose which creams you like and put it in the package as long as it amounts to 16,500 pesos. Second benefit is you get 25% discount lifetime on all your retail purchases. Number 3, you get an accident insurance. Number 4 is you get your own personalized website. Now, if you look at the benefits, automatically you get your money back plus you earn a little retail profit. But how do you really earn a lot of commissions? How do you get the cars? How do you get the houses? How do you get the savings? Or even earn millions through this business? Let me now explain it to you how that is possible. Number 1, you do retailing. When you do retailing here in the Philippines, you earn 33% profit. No quota. Number 2 is you get to earn package rebate. The package rebate of Nworld is 1,700 pesos. Each referral that you introduce to us or send this video to that joins and buys the package, you get 1,700 pesos. It's that simple. And we also have the binary program. Binary program is very simple. So you get to form 2 teams, one on the left and one on the right. You have an account and all you have to do is just build 2 teams, one on the left and one on the right. For example, you send this video to friend A, and friend A joins our business and buys the distributorship package, and we put or place friend A on the left side. You get 1,700 pesos. And then you have a second friend, friend B, also joins the business, buys the package, and we place friend B on the right side. And you also get 1,700 pesos. Aside from the 1,700 pesos that you get from A and the 1,700 pesos that you get from B, the company will also give you a sales bonus from the binary program. How much? 2,100 pesos pairing commission. So aside from 1,717, you get 2,100. So you get a total of, right? Great, right? It's as easy as that. Now, A can also do the business program and B can also do the business program. So let's just say A refers friend C and B refers friend D. Since you are not the one who introduced letter C and letter D to us, it is A and B who will get the 1,700 pesos. But don't worry, that's alright. Why? Because friend C is on the left and friend D is on your right, so you still get the pairing commission of 2,100 pesos. And if C introduces a friend, letter E, and D introduces a friend, letter F, you still get 2,100 pesos. So once it multiplies on your left and it multiplies on your right, then the 2,100 pesos would be unlimited. It would be unstoppable. And that's how you get your houses, your cars, or even the millions of savings that you can get through this business. Just remember that the company can only pay you 14 pairs per day. 7 in the morning cycle and 7 in the PM cycle. A total of 14, that's around 29,400 pesos every day, or a total of 882,000 pesos every month. Maximum income potential. Let me share to you a strategy that I teach my distributors worldwide. That is why they are able to maximize the income potential here in Nworld. It is very simple, but always remember, just join Team Revelation and you can get all these techniques and strategies all together sent in the comfort of your homes. Let me talk to you about the multiple package strategy. For example, you get 7 packages. The first package being 14,900 pesos and the succeeding 6 packages being 12,800 pesos each. The 14,900 package will get 16,500 worth of products, and the 12,800 succeeding packages would get 12,800 pesos worth of products. The total capital for you to start 7 packages is 91,700 pesos, and you get products worth 93,300 pesos if you are to sell these products here in the Philippines. But most of our distributors who are abroad and sells this product outside of the Philippines even earns more, because the 93,000 worth of products, once they sell it, for example, in the United States, amounts to almost 150,000 pesos. Now, aside from that, aside from the products, you also get your NTC, or your Entrepreneur Tracking Center, or accounts. Just like in the binary program, all of these 7 accounts have left and right, or Team A and Team B, as you see right now. And as you see, each account that has a left and a right under them will automatically earn 2,100 pesos. So even if you did not do anything yet, you get to earn 10,500 pesos commission. Now all you have to do is do the referral program of the company. So what if you refer 8 of your friends to join your business? So you earn 1,700 each friend times 8. That's the total. Wow! Amazing, right? Plus, you get to earn from the binary program. Each pair will earn 2,100 pesos. So you earn a total of, and these 8 people can also do the business program right now. So what if each of them only invite at least 1 person to join their business in the next 30 days? These 8 people will now get the package rebate or referral bonus of 1,700 pesos. But remember, they are still in your left and in your right. So you still get the pairing bonus of 2,100 pesos. So you earn this amount. Without doing anything, you earn this amount. Amazing! Incredible! Unbelievable! So all in all, once you add all the commissions that you earn a total of, great, right? Now what if these 8 friends, the first 8 friends that you referred to us, also get 7 packages? Can you just imagine how much you are going to earn? You earn, amazing! Now what if those 8 friends would also want to earn the same amount? All they have to do is just invite 8 of their friends also to join the business, and these 8 friends also gets 7 packages. And once that happens, you earn a bigger commission. This is the total income that you will get once you did this strategy. Perfect! Nworld really is a great opportunity. Nworld really is dominating the Philippine network marketing industry. And soon, Nworld will dominate in your very own country. So with that, thank you very much for listening. My name is Lian, founder of Team Revelation. Thank you very much for watching this video.